G'day guys, Kelvin, the cartoon company in New Zealand. Old Yeller is about to be test fitted with a set of Gilmore drives. So we have a power steer pulley, we have a front crankshaft pulley, alternator, tensioner, and the top tooth pulley. And we're changing this fella here. I believe he's got like a viscous fan hub. So we're going to put the stripped out hydraulic in it. The belt will run straight through here. We've also made some changes. We've put extra material in, because if the extra weight on that, it snaps that off. So we're just trying to keep it nice and strong. Alright, let's get it fitted. Let's get it on there. Right, we're apart. Let's put some pulleys back onto it. Okay. Alternator. When it goes together, I want Loctite on there. Well, I haven't had to machine the front of an alternator for one of these before, but I have now. So Reman Denso alternator on it. Slightly different in the front and the nose. It's easy enough to sort. Done. Pop this fella on. How many bolts in these top covers? Oh, one. One bolt in the top cover. One is plenty. I might not do it up with that 1/2-inch drive ratchet either. I did the bottom ones up with it, with your rattle gun. You just touch it. Well, sweet.
There is a, like...
A setting to turn it down?
Yeah, you do it down to 1. And it turns out to gearly. And the thread drive one, if you turn it down to the circle, like the arrow...
It just touches, eh?
It and it stops.
Da-da, and it stops. Excellent. Excellent language there, Jace.
Stops.
So it helps to not put the idler onto the top pulley. We'll put the idler onto the idler. Oh, actually, we better just tuck that out of the way. We don't want that catching. If it's on standard computer, we really don't want that cam sensor going through the pulleys. Looks good. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So these ones are left thread, so it's the other way. I don't even have a power steer pump. I've got a problem, no power steer pump. I'll just find a power steer pump, shall I? Because there isn't one. Oh. This is the magic power steer pump. It's got the grease nipple. Ooh. Of course, we're putting Loctite on there. Belt. It's one of those moments you need like 10 hands. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's been a long time since, oh yeah, I had a full belt on it. And it's never had a Gilmore. Right. See if I can make it go again. Rum rum! Oi, you buggers! I'm making noise. Get it off and get it in a box and send it off to the man. I actually ended up putting a washer in behind there, made it a bit nicer. It's all good.